I made a lot of videos about ChatGPT, but today I want to show you how to use Google Gemini to learn any language fast. You can use Google Gemini as an app or on the web. Personally, I prefer to use the app because it's more convenient. The simple 4 Google Gemini prompts will help you to learn any language fast. Whether you are a beginner, A1, A2 level, or looking to accelerate your language speaking skills, this video is packed with tips to help you learn any language. Alright, so prompt number 1. You grab your phone, launch Google Gemini app, and you ask the following. I want to learn English. Ask me questions so I can give you a better idea of my English level and my needs. To ensure you can tailor your responses accordingly. Go. As you can see, Google Gemini will ask you some questions to build your profile. Answer all of them. Like, what are your goals, your strengths, your challenges, and your practice habits? I will say I want to improve my A2 level and I need it for casual conversations and traveling. Grammar is my biggest challenge, and how often I want to practice? You need to answer that. I will say daily, because I want to learn fast. My hobby is sport. As you can see, Google Gemini will come up with a plan. Prompt number 2. Please take note of my profile so that all future conversations can be based on these details. That's actually very important because you don't want to repeat yourself every time you use Google Gemini. So don't skip this prompt. Next prompt number 3. I will ask to create a structured weekly curriculum to help me achieve my goals based on my profile. Google Gemini will build a curriculum based on what you answer, based on your profile. If it asks you for a time frame, it will build it accordingly. Otherwise, you have to specify it and you have to add the time frame. And finally, prompt number 4. Please start some lessons with me. I am currently on day 1, week number 1 of my curriculum. If you think it's too easy, you can make it. You can ask to make it more difficult, and the opposite. If it's too difficult, you can ask it to make it more easier. It's up to you. You're in charge. You also can launch Google Gemini voice feature at the bottom right. It's very important, very cool feature that you can use and you can practice daily. As you can see, Google Gemini produces answers pretty fast and come up with your plan. So you can adjust your plan if you want. There you have it. Learning a language doesn't have to be that difficult. With these prompts and Google Gemini, there's a new way to practice your language skills. Give it a try and let me know how it's working for you. As always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And let me know in the comments down below how these prompts are working for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.